Like any moment, that 12 turns is gonna be on fire. Oh, I smell it. It's smoking. It's smoking. It is smoking.
On today's episode of Life of Ballin', we got some cheap cars here that Byron has gracefully invested in. You should tell us about your cars that you got.
We got one of the original OG Gravediggers.
Beautiful.
Facebook Marketplace, you know, it's got the old GQ radio. It's actually in really good condition.
Oh my god!
I got the Fortec. It had the brushless system in it, or brushed system in it, and there I got it. Oh, by the way, I paid $100 for each one of these.
Yep. $100 for each one.
Yep. Got this one from someone up at Shaka. They brought it in. They were getting a new toy or something. I don't know what they're doing, but they were selling it for $100. This one, buddy, he was like, man, it's got a brush system in it. Doesn't need it gone. Thanks, Cameron.
And this is the one that you guys saw that caught on fire, or almost caught on fire.
Alright, so Byron has a little Fortec 3.0 here with a 3S ESC and just a Titan 12 turn motor, so I don't think anything bad could happen to you.
I don't know.
Alright, well let's go see.
Find out.
Yeah, exactly. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. Oh my gosh. Oh, that thing seems pretty fun. That's pretty fast. For a 12 turn motor.
Sounds horrible.
It does sound horrible. It doesn't even look real. It just looks like some video game. Oh my god. Like any moment, that 12 turns is gonna be on fire.
Good idea.
I bet. Oh, I smell it.
It's already on
I
fire.
smell it. I smell it. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh, it just smoked.
it's smoking. It's smoking. It is smoking. Oh my god. Get it out, get it out. It's the motor.
Oh my god. It came loose.
Oh,
Don't touch it.
ow.
Look at the smoke.
I'm glad we caught it now.
Woo! Holy crap.
I wish you guys could smell that.
I'm sure that they can. If they've ever had RC cars before.
Yeah.
And if they're not illiterate.
It's like melting right there.
What's melted?
Look at that.
Oh, yeah. It's fine.
It's good. Touch.
Ow! I'll just solder that wire back on and we'll send after it again.
Alright. It was still running even though the wire came off?
Yeah. Oh, it just sent out, but never mind. It sent out a bunch of stuff onto the chassis. See all that black crap?
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. That was a fun 3 minutes.
I gotta call Traxxas for a warranty.
I know, I'm about to say. They warranty 12 turns on 3S?
Yep. Now, it's got a Valenian system in it. Burn up about 4 motors.
Yep.
I'm not gonna talk about those. But it's got a lot of upgrades on it. I mean, hot racing steering arm, sway bar kit, lock diffs.
We'll have a speed run for you guys very soon.
Alright, so you guys saw the Fortec that Byron almost made catch on fire with the old 12 turn in there. So we got a lot of messages that said we should put a Valenian 3S system in here, and Byron nor I ever knew what kind of motor a Traxxas VXL 3S system is. We never used it.
What is that?
So Byron found one in a trash can, and we put it in here, so we're gonna see how fast it goes now. And we have this little do thingy that does stuff that's cool and might tell time or
lights up and
space
stuff.
or speed. So we'll see about that in a second.
Maybe if there's Superman coming by.
Oh, is that what it means? Sky R.
See, I think that's Superman right there.
That. Yep. All right. Well, we'll go see.
Because Superman's performance, bro.
Genius. Okay.
See if it turns on. I like catch fire.
It's on and it's not on fire. Oh,
I think I broke it. Oh, that's fine.
you already broke it?
Oh, that's fine. It was just $100.
Yeah, that's it.
And then I got this system out of a deal that I bought yesterday whenever I bought that Gravedigger, which We're not going to talk about the rope that's right there. I don't know what that rope's for.
Yeah.
What's the rope for?
Well, we're not going to talk about that. Oh.
Hit me like it.
Yeah, Hemi already woke up. All right, let's see how fast this little doo-woppy goes.
Jalopy?
The jalopy, no. Oh, yeah. How fast can a Fortec go? Was that all the way out?
Oh. I broke something.
What's broke already? Is there a slipper in there or something?
No.
Maybe that's why it's $100. The top side is 17. Oh my God. Byron figured out that he broke the diff and this little bar is just spinning inside of it here. So it's gonna have to be another day before we get a speed test.
Garbage.
And then finally, Byron just got this Rustler
I got it last night.
last night for $100. Oh, it didn't come with the radio, that's right.
Didn't have a radio, but it had a TQI receiver.
TQI receiver.
So that was kind of dope.
Is this a Stampede body or a
It's a
Rustler body?
Stampede body with on a Rustler car. I don't know.
Somebody just cut the hole in the back here?
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
It came with a Validian system, brand new wheels and tires. It hasn't really been bashed that hard either. I think it's gonna be a fun little toy.
Oh, definitely.
Just to go and jump it and do some fun stuff with it.
So if you guys ever get a chance to get some good deals, you should scoop them up.
Yeah, you never know what you're gonna get.
You can get a Gravedigger in pristine condition, a Fortec with a brush motor that you can catch on fire for views, or even a Rustler that we can run into people's shins. All right, now we got Byron's $100 Rustler VXL here. We got a GPS on here. Let's go get the speed run on this bad girl. What do you think it's gonna do?
10.
10?
I say 45.
45? What is that?
45.
Do.
KTM power. Speed run on the Rustler. Alrighty, we can get a Rustler speed run here. So on that little pass, we got a 41 miles an hour. I said 45. Woo! So close to the mailbox. Look at that, we hit 47 that time. Not bad, not bad. Oh, that was mailbox shot. At least yours doesn't flip like mine. For $100. Ooh, on that run, Byron got 51. That's the new top speed for him. Oh, Byron already shredded a drive shaft in this thing because go twisties.
The
Twinkies.
Twizzlers.
The Twizzler drive shafts. Well, for $100 is pretty good. You get 51 miles an hour out of her. There's the old drive shaft that came out of the Rustler. Look at that thing. It's all twisted. And Byron's gonna replace it with the big old thick boys. Nice. Oh, nice. Okay. Self-corrected. Oh, that's a nice little front flip.
Oh, the wheelie bar is dragging.
Wow. That was a beautiful body before.
Well, that happened.
Yeah, it did. Really good bearings right there. That's really good bearings.
Oh, I broke it.
You broke a drive shaft just doing that?
Yep.
The skinny one?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this.
But I broke the outer part, so I can still run. Because the inner part is broke. The other one that I broke.
Oh. Oh no! What did you break? Oh yeah.
Everything.
Oh, just doing that broke what, an A-arm?
Yeah, let's see what else we can break. Nothing.
Now we got the Rustler gang out here. See, mine doesn't wheelie that much because it's a big old wheelie bar. Insane. Oh, oh,
Oh.
oh, oh. Oh, really? Broke drive shaft that fast?
Is that a big boy?
Snap another axle like that. Nice. That's actually pretty nice. Oh. Did you really just break an axle too?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. The Rustler drive shafts suck.
Oh, just a black one.
Oh, the skinny one? Yeah, of course.
Dude, it already ripped that in half.
It lasted 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Really? Wow.